Allahu Akbar.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's getting cold outside, and something that's just come to mind is that family. You know, family is one of those precious gifts. Family is one of those loved gifts that your maker has bestowed upon you. Sometimes there's brothers and sisters out there, and let's all make dua for them, who are having trouble getting pregnant. Ummah of Islam, let's all just make quick dua for them. Oh Allah, these brothers and sisters in Islam, and even non-Muslim brothers and sisters, let's make dua for them. Oh Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, please grant families, grant couples who are having trouble getting children, grant them a baby. Ameen. Right? Now, the reason for this video is you see these adverts out there like surrogate mums. You know, let's go and impregnate another woman with the sperm and egg of some couple. Seriously. You know, why didn't you adopt a kid? You know, this whole shenanigans of fertilization treatment, is it really so important that the kid be of your own DNA? You know, there's children in this world who literally get on their knees, right? They probably get on their knees every day and they beg their maker. They're like, oh Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, give me a family, give me parents who want me. So I'm urging you, Ummah of Islam, if you're having trouble having a child, if you are having trouble getting a child of your own, consider adoption. Why? Because A, it's a good deed. B, it's a form of charity. And C, you're just like, stop being selfish for a moment and consider taking somebody who needs a family, right? Who needs desperately a family into your home. I mean, the goodness that comes from that, the goodness that comes from that one simple deed. You want a child anyway, so why do not adopt? If you're having trouble having a child, right, and it's really something you need, there's no difference. I'm telling you now, there's no difference in DNA. DNA is way overrated. You know, just because that child is genetically related to you doesn't make it any more or less yours. And here's a simple Islamic reason for that. In Islam, boys and girls are automatically considered brothers and sisters. Think back to the Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him. When he was entering that city with his wife, he said to his wife, because he knew that if he said that that is my wife, that they would try to take her from him. But he said to her, just say you are my sister. Because technically, in Islam, a Muslim woman to a Muslim man is automatically brothers and sisters. Now, I'm not condoning incest or anything like that, but what I'm just trying to say is we consider them as brothers and sisters. Why? Because if you're Muslim, you're Muslim. If you are a Muslim who's genetically related, you're still a Muslim. If you're a Muslim who's a friend, you are Muslim. We're all brothers and sisters in the great family of Islam. This is what we call the Ummah of Islam. So brothers and sisters, if you are having trouble adopting, there's no reason to say, other than pride, and we've already addressed that pride is a sin, so do not engage in this sin. But other than pride, there's no reason not to adopt. So I'm urging you Muslims, I'm urging the Ummah of Islam, come to goodness, come to goodness.